you a wizard or something? Wait, I want to do magic art tricks too. Let's start with this. Just a plain black rainbow for now. Inside, draw the colors. Now here comes the fun part. Wait and see. The colors come to life. Oops! It's just water. Sponge to the rescue. Hey, this sponge might be onto something. If I squish it just right, it becomes wings. Turn it into a real art bug. One fold, and there! Beautiful wings. Print them. Just need a couple of lines for the antenna. Love them. More art? Sure. White and red? My favorite color. Okay, you can use my hand. Here we go. Press hard. What is he making? Looks like a bird. It's a flamingo. Amazing. More cute art is coming. I see what you're doing there. What if we blend it a little? Now it looks fuzzy, like actual fur. Eyes here and a red nose there. The whiskers are here to play. The best cat crew. Who wants to adopt them? Look, those flowers are perfect. Give me a hand, please. Boo! Thank you! It's faster to make the vase like this. Use the fingertips. Dot, dot, dot. More fun than brushes, right? Uh-oh! Don't worry, we can fix it. Drop more color. Give it some swirls. Try different colors. Do you see the roses? Pretty, right? Let's hang them up.